Welcome back to All Day Everyday Preparedness. So should investors invest in the stock market? Absolutely. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Now, as we all know, electric vehicles are the future. And unfortunately, it's going to happen whether we like it or not. And not just here in America, but we're talking worldwide. Now, California has recently banned the sale of gasoline vehicles starting in 2035. Now, that's just over a decade from now. And as fast as things have been happening, look for many more states to follow up with similar mandates in the next few years. And it would be a smart bet that the federal government is also going to implement a ban on gasoline vehicles in the near future as well. So as we look ahead to the future, electric vehicles will become a normal part of life. Now, keeping that in mind, right now, U.S. demand for electric vehicles is down from what was previously expected, partly due to the expense and cost of owning an electric vehicle, and the public hasn't overwhelmingly bought into that just yet. But as we continue to look forward, a huge component of electric vehicles are the lithium batteries that power the vehicle. Now that, in conjunction with the lower than expected demand, lithium prices have also fallen around the world. But make no mistake about it, guys, electric vehicles are the future. Now, recently, Elon Musk said that lithium is the new oil, and I believe it 100%. Now, we know just how fast the elite and the globalists that their plans are shaping up. And if we're realistic about what's coming, we know that gasoline cars, gasoline generators, and the like will become a thing of the past under their rule. So knowing that, now is the time to invest in the future, but also to invest in your own future. Let's just say in 10 to 15 years, a few years give or take, the federal government here in America is going to ban all gasoline powered vehicles, and your only option will be to buy an electric vehicle. Now, granted, you could still own your older gasoline powered car. I plan to do the same thing. But guarantee, guys, they're going to tax us so much that it wouldn't be cost efficient to drive and operate it. Now, wouldn't you want to be in a position that you could take advantage of that? Wouldn't you want to be invested in lithium right now? And as I stated earlier, lithium prices have fallen drastically due to the low demand. But imagine when the whole world is driving electric vehicles. Imagine when all generators are lithium battery powered. And most, if not all, solar even right now is reserved with lithium batteries as well. You see, you want to get in right now while prices have fallen sharply. The old adage is still true, and it's always going to be true. Buy low and sell high. Now, it's no secret, guys, that the elites and the globalists, they're pushing to limit our reliance on fossil fuels and on carbon emission and the like. So why just sit back and do nothing? Today, guys, I want to share with you a company which is one of the largest lithium producers in the world, but it's also one of the top lithium processors as well. So not only do they mine and produce the lithium, but they can process it as well and get it ready to go into production into one of the lithium batteries. Okay, and that company is called Arcadium Lithium. Now, as you can see from this article, they're the 7th largest total producer and processor of lithium in the world. Now, if we look at how high this company's traded in the past, we're talking back in 2019, just over $100 per share. Then it took a significant dip and then back up to 60-some plus dollars a share. And now it's dipped again, but it's at an extreme value. It's trading just under $5 per share. And that's due in part to the low lithium demand because electric vehicle demand is down around the world as well as here in the United States. As you can see, guys, there's a huge upside for this company. Imagine if it were to go back up, and that's highly probable based on phasing out and banning of gasoline powered vehicles and the implementation of the electric vehicles, again, powered by lithium and the lithium batteries. Now, is that guaranteed? Absolutely not. But in the market, there's never a guarantee. So I'm not telling you to invest in Arcadium Lithium, but I am telling you to do your own research and to consider it. But one thing certainly that I am telling you to do today is to do your own research, do your own due diligence. And after you do that, you're going to see that you probably need to invest some of your money in the lithium market. Because like Elon Musk said, lithium is the new oil. And if the globalists and the elite get their way and they succeed in their plan, that will indeed become a fact. So guys, do your own research and most importantly, prepare. But preparedness is not just stocking food and water, it's also preparing financially. You want to position yourself now. If you see what's coming down the road, why not benefit from some of those things now so you and your family can be better off? But guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video. Share it with someone, a friend or family member that may need to potentially do their research and invest in this opportunity as well. Continue to prepare, and as always, be blessed.